and welcome to LongevityFoods TV. The playlist is Wisdom Nugget from Plants, Food for Longevity series, where we're discovering the health benefits from plants and nature in general. Today's nugget is walnuts. These are seeds from the walnut tree. First, I'll go through the benefits, then show you how you can incorporate this into your nutrition and diet for health and longevity. The first benefit of walnut is great in brain health. That's the first thing about this. It actually even looks like a brain. If you have a look at it, it looks like the picture of our brain. So it's a brain power seed that we can consume. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which support brain function, memory, and may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Also, it contains polyphenols and vitamin E, which help fight oxidative stress in the brain. Heart health is also good for the heart because it reduces bad cholesterol, improves blood vessel function, and lower blood pressure. So it's also high in omega-3 and antioxidants, which contribute to the cardiovascular protection. Also anti-inflammatory, contains polyphenols, magnesium, healthy fat that may reduce inflammation in the body. Then weight management, promotes satiety due to high fat and protein content, may help regulate appetite and reduce cravings despite being calorie dense. Then it supports the gut health, encourages the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, improving digestion and overall gut balance. Also rich in antioxidants, contains powerful antioxidants like allergic acid, melatonin, which protects against cell damage and supports immune health. Then it's good for bone health. It provides magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus, which contribute to strong bones. So we can see from there that walnuts are good for the brain, for the heart, anti-inflammatory, weight loss, weight management. For people who want to maintain a healthy weight, you can have a couple of walnuts a day. Then it supports our gut, is beneficial to gut bacteria, which is the brain of our health. Our stomach, our gut is what controls how we lose weight, how we live long. Whatever we are putting in our stomach is what is working out in our organs and our skin and our body in general. So walnut is a good nut to introduce to our diet for a healthy brain, healthy heart, and healthy bones. So it's good for our bones as well, just as a recap. Then the side effect of walnut: allergies, like every other nut, is common in walnut. Nut allergy, potentially triggering reactions from mild hives to severe anaphylaxis. Then is high in calorie, so if overeating may cause weight gain. Then digestive issues, excessive consumption may cause bloating, gas, or soft stools, especially if your digestive system is sensitive to fiber or fat. Then it may interfere with iron absorption. Contains phytic acid, which can bind into minerals like iron and reduce absorption when consumed in large amounts. So moderation of nuts is recommended because they can affect the intake of our iron and therefore cause us issues in low iron and fatigue. So spoilage risk as well. High fat content in walnuts is prone to turn rancid if not stored properly. So keep it cool in airtight conditions to prevent it from going rancid. You will know when it's rancid anyway, because once you taste it, you can smell the oil, that the oil in it has gone off. The taste in the mouth will be bad taste because the oil will be tasting rancid. You can taste the rancidity in your mouth. So the way to consume this wonderful nut is to eat it in moderation, and the first one is to eat it either raw or roasted. You can soak it, you could have it in baked goods like bread, cookies, muffin. You could sprinkle some into your salad. You could use it as walnut butter, similar to peanut butter. You could add it to your smoothie. You could add it to your yogurt as a topping, or you could add some into your cereal, maybe into your cereal. So the recommended intake per day is 7 walnuts. If you are eating whole nut, 7 whole walnut, and if you're eating halves like this one, you can have up to 14 a day. So the healthy amount is 28 grams of walnuts per day. So we can't go too much when we know what we're doing with healthy food, because like every other herbs or herbal remedy or nutrition, we have to do them in moderation. Everything should have a dose. As we take medication, we follow the quantity that the doctor recommends. So also with food, we have to know what we're doing when we are adding new healthy remedy. You have to follow the recommendation. So it's wise to not consume any food at all in excess. Know the quantities that is recommended and stick to them. So that's it on walnuts, and I can give you the taste just to tell you what it tastes like. They are not really sweet like almonds or peanuts, but they are okay, palatable, and they are just okay. And I think they are palatable. And like I always say, health foods are not supposed to be something that is like chocolate sweet or sugar sweet. Most of them are either bitter or on the verge of no taste, or just so taste. So we have to start getting used to retraining our buds, our taste buds, so that we can at least incorporate healthy food into our diet. I remember growing up, walnuts in Nigeria is not like rough one, like the brain kind of rough finish. It's usually round, like little round balls, very smooth. And my grandmother used to roast them, put them around the fire overnight, so that by the morning when we grandchildren come in, she would give us walnuts. And they come in shells as well, that we break the black shells off and bring the white creamy little balls out. They are really delicious. The taste is really awesome. I don't know if they still have it in Nigeria, but growing up, like I'm like going to my 60s now, so I'm talking about when I was like in my maybe 10-year-old. So I'm talking about probably 40 something years ago. So I don't know if we still have them, but of course we should still have them. I will research that and see if I can bring it in and do a second video on walnuts from Africa. So that's it for today on walnuts, and this is the power food for your brain. And if you love what we're doing on Beautiful Foods TV, on the playlist of wisdom from plants and food for longevity, please hit the subscribe button, share with your friends and family, get the conversation going by commenting, drop hi, hello, love sign, hash, whatever it is that you want to do. Just keep in touch so that we can build a community around this new journey that I'm embarking on Herbal Life. I hope to see you again next time in the next episode. Until then, keep on keeping healthy. Goodbye.